right, next, surface area of a sphere. Okay, surface area of a sphere, like I said earlier, is 4 pi r squared. Here, our diameter is 70, so r is 35. Okay, so surface area is 4 pi 35 squared. This is going to be a huge number. I got 30, so you square 35 and then multiply it by 4. I got 4,900 inches squared. Volume is a little bit different, but kind of similar. 4 pi r cubed, all divided by 3. So that's going to be 4 pi 35 cubed all over 3. I'm going to do this all at once. So 35 cubed. Actually, I'll do it so you guys can see the numbers. Hold on. 35 cubed, and 35 times 35 times 35. I got 42,875 all over 3. So multiply that by 4. So times 4 equals. Sorry, I'm going up. Let's just go down here. 171,500 pi all over 3. And now divide by 3. Oops. What did I get? Sorry. Oh, 57,166.67 pi inches cubed for my volume. Holy buckets, that's a lot of volume. That's a huge sphere. A huge sphere. Find the volume of the whole shape. So what I'm going to have to do, we have a combo shape. We have a little ice cream cone action going on here. So you can, next time you go to Sweets, you can find the volume of an ice cream cone there. That'd be fun. You should ask. You should try it. Why not? Why not try it? All right. So what I need to do here, as it says down here, find the volume of the hemisphere, then find the volume of the cone, and add the two together. Okay. So let's do the hemisphere first. Hemi. Volume of the hemi equals 4 pi r cubed, so r is 5, all over 3, which is, hold on, times 4, which was 500 pi over 3, which is 166.67 pi, but that's the volume of a sphere. So to find the volume of a hemisphere, I'm going to divide that by 2. Once I divide that by 2, I get 83.33 pi. Hemisphere is half of a sphere. Okay. Find the volume of the cone. Well, the volume of a cone is pi r squared h over 3. Now, h is right here. That's our height. Well, I don't know the height. Maybe some of you recognize the triple. Okay, so I can use the Pythagorean theorem. I would call 13 the c. So I would say 5 squared plus h squared equals 13 squared. And the 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. So that means my height is 13, so I'm going to throw that into the volume of my cone. Pi 5 squared times 13, or 12, the height is 12, all over 3. So 5 squared is 25. 25 times 12 gives me 300 pi, and that's all over 3, which is. So to find the volume of the whole thing, I add those two together. It's 183.33 pi inches cubed. Last one, last problem. Okay, last problem coming up here, I think. no buckets. Am I skipping? Oh man. Second to last problem. All right. So volume of a prism is what? Area of the base times the height. A rectangular prism measures 12 and 13 along its base. So that's saying that this is 13 and 12. So the area of my base is 13 times 12, which equals, what did I get? 156. All right. Its volume is 2340. What is the height? So I know this is 2340. The area of the base is 156. The height is unknown. Divide both sides by 156 to get a height of, what did I get? 15 centimeters. Okay, now we're on to the last one. Holy buckets, my last video of the year. Wow. So wild. Let it go. Assuming that ABCD is a rectangle, the radius of circle E is 13. So that makes this 13. DC is 10. Find the area, so I need to know what the base is. So I'm going to say that B squared plus 10 squared equals 26 squared. Now, why did I know to do 26? Well, here's my right angle, right? How do I know to use the Pythagorean theorem? Well, what kind of triangle is this? It's a right triangle, and that makes this my C. Okay. So what do we got here? B squared plus 100 minus 100. So B equals 24, I believe. Let me get all that math for you. I'll get all the work. This is 676 equals 100 plus B squared. So B squared equals 576. B equals. Okay. So to find the area equals base times height. Area equals 24 times 10, which is 240 units squared. Congratulations, that's the end. Let go.